kayu manis atau kari daging. Just mix it well until the gravy is dry a bit. Awesome! Dapur Awesome! Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih. Hi geng, Awesome. That day I went to NTUC. Aku pergi NTUC jeng jeng jeng. This is what I found at NTUC. Chapati. Okay, instant chapati. I found instant chapati. Tapi takkanlah instant chapati nak makan gitu je. So now this is easy. No need to make chapati anymore. So now instant chapati is available at NTUC. But what to eat with? Nak makan dengan apa Apa lagi kima lah. And kima is very easy memang cepat. Memang simple. Jadi hari ni aku nak share dengan korang aku punya version of kima. Tapi yang ini kima ayam pasal my wife tak makan daging. Dia prefer ayam. My children also prefer ayam. Okay, so depending on what you like, okay, for this is chicken kima that my wife and my children love. So I'm going to show you. Let's try it. Okay, sekarang cara masak dia, aku panaskan minyak ni dalam 3 sudu besar, about 3 tablespoon of oil, heat it up. What I have here is 3 red onions, 10 cloves of garlic and about 2 to 3 inches of ginger. All of these blend it together. Ni semua bahan-bahan kisar, semua dah kisar ini 3 bawang merah besar punya, 10 bawang putih dan dia macam sebeginilah dalam 2 inci 3 inci gitu 2 inci 3 inci, tak apa, lebih pun sikit tak apa. Ini semua di blend. Lepas tu apa lagi masukkan kat sini. Kita goreng Ini pun aku masukkan star anise. Put tu lah. Okay, tu star anise. Bunga lawang tadi. Ni pula kayu manis. Put that in. Okay, the cinnamon stick also just put that in. Okay, jadi tumis ni sampai bau dia naik. Bau dah naik masukkan 3 sudu besar kari ayam atau kari daging. I put in 3 tablespoons of curry powder and stir. Don't be stingy on the curry powder. 1 tablespoon of this is coriander powder. Ketumbar, serbuk ketumbar. 1 sudu besar serbuk jintan. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Jadi ni jangan lokek lah rempah. So all this put together. At this point I like to put in the curry leaves as well. This one it's okay to have more. Will be nice. I have some potatoes. Masukkan kentang Kentang ni untuk ramaikan sikit lah jadi macam sedap sikit, lemak-lemak sikit. I put in salt as well. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, garam 2 sudu kecil.
Can put about 1 cup of water.
The minced chicken, ni ayam, masukkan sekali kacau, and I have some chopped tomatoes, just to put it in. Okay, and just mix it well until the gravy is dry a bit. Okay, so now just let it cook. I will also like to add a dash of some black pepper, ni lada hitam sikit, jadi ada pedas sikit. Kalau nak pedas lagi, letak serbuk cili pun boleh. Kalau nak lagi pedas, okay, you can add chili powder if you want it more spicy, depends. Okay, but for me, I'm cooking for my children as well. I would like to add this as well. Okay, this ni daun ketumbar. Okay, these are coriander leaves. I leave some of them for garnishing later, so you can mix it well. Now this adds into the aroma and some of the taste.
Now after about 1 hour on medium heat, dalam 1 jam tengok ni dah kering. The potato is already soft and it dries up a bit. Now look at the texture. Dah pekat jadi ni bermaknanya dah siap. So that means this is ready to eat. So you can enjoy this with your chapati. For me, just a disclaimer, this is not spicy. So again, it's up to your taste. If you feel that it's not salty enough, okay, it's up to you. Some of you prefer to be more salty. Okay, if not, leave it like that. If you want it more spicy, add chili powder, or you can even add cuts of chili. Okay, or if you want more spicy, cili padi jadi ni terpulang pada masing-masing. Kalau nak lagi masin, tambahlah garam. Tapi kalau yang ada nak lagi pedas, okay, potong cili atau taruh serbuk cili pun boleh. Jadi terpulang pada masing-masing. Up to you to alter this according to your own taste. Okay, cuma ni aku punya version lah. This is just my version. Up to you to add on. Pandai-pandai lah. Okay. Untuk chapati dia pula ni ini brand adalah banyak lagi lah yang brand tu yang instant, janji instant. I'm not paid for this so to me I just randomly grab. Jadi ni di dalam dia gini. This is the inside. I learned the hard way. Please do not take out. It should be frozen. From frozen straight away put on the pan, easier. It does not stick. Jadi jangan keluarkan dulu. Kalau tidak ni melekat ni. Tengok. Jadi masukkan di dalam peti sejuk, freezer dulu. Terus angkat. Sebab dia tak pakai minyak. See, there's no oil. Okay, you don't need oil for this. Dah pun masak, tu dia. Okay, sekarang aku nak cuba. I want to try this. Okay, this is the chapati. The chapati is quite soft. I wouldn't say it's the best of the best. But I mean, if you are so-called just crave for it, just want something that's fast, simple. Okay, so instant chapati is quite okay lah. Aku bukan nak cakap ni paling sedap lah. Ada lagi aku pernah try lagi sedap, lagi lembut tapi kalau gini emergency, senang aja. Keluarkan daripada freezer, terus masukkan kuali, tak payah minyak pun. Makan pula dengan keema ni. So it goes really well with the keema.
See you in the next episode. Awesome.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.